Khubor phi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat kiba kongsan menta kasngi kilong. Mi kipat ba kathan so'ra rim banwa eki shijur na indoor. Hakti ki pulit ngat uriu klam akor na Jorhat Assam. Tur ka dream mission Sharilom Garo banrat dingkong ya udrok na Meghalaya. Ban lamana ban pendankam plastik ki baduna shispa arpo micron nadu shitarik benai bahnriu ahajar arpusan hais khasi hills. Ba mentang ni apai shiki Khubor tiba company. Menteri Rangba ke Jylla konrat ke sangma ulapan bena menta amdeshu tangki pulit bat ki kenhun pelaj embryo henry wat ki pat ba na kishnong kathan so'ra rim kilami lang banwa de ki shijur ki bana Indore Madhya Pradesh ki baja dangshen hakithan so'ra. Menteri Rangba ula ongru halor kani ka jingja ula yo banyak keren bat Menteri Rangba ka Madhya Pradesh kumju ya ka Ministry of Home Affairs ban pentip syapang kani ka jingja jongki arngut shi kurim ula ong daladi hi ula shimkhia ban bodin ya kani ka jingwat man lakasngi.
All the possible technology also available with us to help us in our endeavor. As you're aware, this is the pre-monsoon area of the time, and Cherrapunji and that entire belt is known for heavy rainfalls. Hence, it's a very, very difficult task as we move along, but we are giving it our best to ensure that we're able to find the couple. The history is like this, that they had gone to different locations, and the bike that they had rented was found on the main road, and it looks like after leaving the bike there and parking it there, they have gone off-road and maybe to hike, and that area where they have went, both sides there are hiking treks, and they're very steep, and of course in this monsoon season possibility of slippery areas also is very high. And therefore the overall area of search is very, very big. But as I said, that we are working very hard. The police, the administration, and most importantly the villagers are all working very hard. We are hopeful that we'll be able to find them. And for us, our tourists are like our family. And especially in Sora area, they've always treated every tourists as to be part of their own family, and hence the entire community today is involved in this, and every single village has offered their help, and they are tirelessly working along with the administration. We are hopeful that, as I said, we'll get positive results and we'll be able to find the couple, and our efforts are on to do that, and I'm personally, as I said, monitoring the whole situation, and we're trying our best to find the couple who went missing a couple of 3-4 days back. Thank you.
Uba Vivek's aim, Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills, haka Khubor ba ulapan bena syakilat patai Khubor, ulayat ho baki pulit ka East Khasi Hills, Maria yo yaki jing ujor halor ka jingle klam akor, uway ubriu yaka kena skul, kabadang yad lenti ha sosun, daga ba kli deka jan pong, bat shandur daga mobile jong u, haka ar pulai tarik Jymmang. Kibahayeng hasam jong kani ka kena skul kila ujor FIR Halom Dingjeri Police Station, Bad Hasadar Police Station, halor kani ka jingja. Mardor, ki pulit kila penlong ka jing tokit ya kani ka jingle klam akor jong uni ubriu. Ki pulit kila lapksa ya uni ubriu uba nakasnong Jorhat Assam, uba kerteng uhiman gogoy, arpusaw sinam karta. Marmar, kilapha ika kenhun ki pulit haka jingalam jong uba Ivan B. Dingdo, MPS, Additional SP, Bankem, yauni ubriu. Ki kenhun pulit na Assam bat Meghalaya, haka jingalam jong kong Lavinia Kongwang, Women Police Sub-Inspector, kilami na Shillong haka step arpo pratarik Jymmang sa Jorhat. Kila penlong ya kajing talasi rengkat kajing rap ki pulit Assam na Laidonggar Outpost Jorhat ya kaying ba uhiman gogoy usyong hasnong Bam Kukurachwa Village kabahab Hatiok PS Jorhat. ki pulit kila kem ya uni ubreu batla kurup ya ka mobile phone ba ula pendon kam ban le ya kata ka kam klem akor ha Shillong batla pen ngat ya u ha ki kendon an ki baya day bat kini ki jingle klem akor kayeng kasari jorhat kan sabishar ya uni ubreu bat shen kan sa IT haki pulit ka East Khasi Hills ban wan ra ya u sa Shillong ban le ya ki jing toket padon kam kat kum ka an uba vivek ulaya thuru kadon sakawe ka jing ja kum ka ne ha so sun ha ka khat khandai tarik Jymmang ha ka por nyau khat san ne nyau shiteng min step halunti Dreamland Police Bazaar ya kani ka jing ja la ujor FIR hasadar Police Station Shillong ki pulit kila shim khia ban thwet ya kini ki jing ja baro artli ka Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission DREAM jang ka sarkar Meghalaya kala persang borba banya khun persha bat ban rat bengkhong ya udrok ubalasdang ban priang keleng saudong ka Jylla ha ka arpu pra tarik Jymmang kinong yalam ka DREAM kila tur shakilom garo banya mirjingmut halor ka ni ka jingthmu bat Khubor Sanchar district ka West Garo Hills district kani ka jingtur jong ka DREAM shakilom garo kalong banya trelang ban penduk jat ya uni ujing di basniu da ka we ka buit ka bor na baro kiliang bat ban penyar ya ka jing trekam jong ka DREAM ha baro ka we ka Jylla ha ka arpu pratarek Jymmang hajar arpusan la penlong ya ka jingalang bakong san ha conference hall ka Office of Superintendent of Police West Garo Hills District Tura hakaba laya lam da uba FG Karshiying Mission Director ka DREAM hakani ka jingalang la shimbanta da ki he pulit ki bakantup ya USP West Garo Hills USP Traffic ka Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Additional Director Social Welfare ka District Social Welfare Officer ki Riu Shampang haka imlang salang ki Riu Shampang haka kwat ka khia kinong yalam shnong kinong yalam niam kinong mikmat na kinok mas kidukot jang ka Village Development Council VDCs bat kidukot na kiseng bhalang NGO ba pher hakani ka jinga ther jingmut uba kharshiyeng MD DREAM ula bataya ki jingma ki ba ki samla ki ngat haba ki ngop ha ki tersem jang udrok ki matre kam bakong san bakilaya kran ki kenthop ka jing punja aburam mi kinong di drok ka jing kentiu ya ka jing long ka bas ngorit bat kershan ki briu shimet ki ba shakta ha ka jing di drong ka jing pendon kam ya ka teknologi ka jing pendon kam ya ka QR code balabo ha ka almanak jong ka DREAM ka long ban pensuk ya ki nongpang ki balang ngop ha udrok sha ki jaka jing penkon ki jing thmu ban ai jing hikai ai kam ne vocational training ban pentre kam ya ki program penroi ya ki sab ban ai lad ya ki samla ban yo kam bat ki lad ban seng kam la jong ka ba shakri kum kalat jingada na ka jing di drong uba Francis Karshiyeng ula penpau baka jingya le persha ya ka jing di drok ka juat palat ya ka jing ya khun penjarian kade ka jing ha ka imlang salang ka badon kam ya ka jing persang lang na baro kiliang ha ka imlang salang ula khot bat kentu ya baro kinong shong shnong ban no senyang klem da ken ne thau ya no ban pen urlong ya ka jing thmu ban wanra ya ka Meghalaya ka balat na udrok uba Francis ula ongru kani ka long ka jing thmu bakong san jong ka sarkar ban te ya ka lawe jong ki samla ban pelat ya ki na ki saite sai khum jong udrok
come together thinking that we could, make an effort and we could ponder upon this issue and at the same time work with the community so that we can contribute whatever little we can to the community's welfare. So Japan has been working, like Madam said, with the District Social Welfare Office since the last 5 to 6 years. We have been aiding them in various work and at the same time we've also been closely working with schools, institutions like colleges, Donbosco College, then we have Donbosco schools, then we have Tura Public Schools where we have also been there working with them.
In the prison, he was so much frustrated because of the isolation from the family. Then I met the parents of that person. I told them that you should not isolate him because he is already under depression, again isolation. Anyway, he is out, I think. Now I don't find him. And all the details I did not required because it is all connected with all these cases. I wanted to help him out, but anyway, he is no more there. I think he is settled now in life. Another thing I would like to share here, I am also coming from an education department, from the school, more than 30 years of experience in the school. If we can observe in the school what is happening with the children, it would be very helpful. I have appointed the entire staff of our school. Anybody bringing BD, cigarette or that tobacco product to the school, we immediately catch those students, inform the parents, and that such a habit is being developed. So if in the schools we can be very cautious and observe what is happening, also such students we can understand from the class, they are restless. Even smokers or taking small tobacco product, they are very restless in the class, in the assembly, we can notice them.
Da kababud ekijing betha jangka Meghalaya High Court Shabarok ki district. Bakin shim kilat penshitom ki bating persha ya kajing di bat pendon kam ki plastik ki ba pendon kam tang shisien bat ki plastik ki ba kajing ruben kaduna ban ya kabala bu kendon. Ka district magistrate is Khasi Hills kalabu kajing mana ya kajing penmi jing khayi jing de bat jing pendon kam ya ki plastik ki baduna ya ka shispa arpau micron kajing ruben bat kini ki tiar plastik ki bala kedau harum nadu ka shitarik jeliu hajar pusan. Ki tiar plastik bapendat ha ki jingklong skor, ki balun, ki mit, ki ice cream, ki lama plastik, ki thermocol ban wapen itenan. Ki pliang, pela, ki tiar bam kum ki pro, shamoj, tari, tiar kejet jingdi, ki tre, jingking sha, ki tiar song senduk jingbam tiang, ki kat khot snobha, ki banner plastik ni PVC, ki baduna ya ka shispa micron. Ki plastik bapendon kam tang shisin ki bala kam baki day ki bala aban put bat ki bala aban pra tang ba klem yo ka jing penti kena na ka Central Pollution Control Board CPCB. Kinu ki bapen khen ya ka te ka hukum kin ngat ha ka jing penshitom hapo ka section khat pra jo ka Public Waste Management Rules ka bala penthmai ha ka hreu tarik naitung hajar puar ka bala penlong an hapo ka Environment Protection Act khat khandai spa prapo hreu. Menteri kekot kekia ke Jylla kong amprin lengdo kala kentui ki pat ba bakin bot perking ya ki kendon kenang ban khangla deka klam covid ban rong syakane ke Jylla ha ka jingya kran bat kilat patai Khubor ka menteri kalaya thuru baka sarkar Jylla kala pen kre lut kilat jingya da ban yakun persya ya kanika klam kabala sedang pau perthai biang hakikat tu kat ni ki jaka.
Also public participation. If anyone has a prolonged cough, fever, or any symptom which is indicative of COVID, please go and test yourselves immediately. Number 2, if and when the tests indicate positive, please take all COVID protocols and adhere to those protocols. One must remember that we are now very familiar with the SOPs of COVID and COVID-like situations, requesting all citizens of the state of Meghalaya to take necessary care. Prevention is better than cure, especially in the matter of COVID. We also had several Government of India reviews on this matter, and we have been given the assurance that this time COVID, though a new variant, is under control, and that Government of India themselves are aggressively putting in place robust systems to deal with the matter, especially in states where there have been cases reported. Hopefully, everything should be fine, and as the state government, we want to assure the people that we will take all measures as and when required to address any emergency or emergency situation that may arise. As of today, we need to inform the public that we have enough oxygen resources, we have enough ICU beds, we have enough medicines in stock. That is what Government of Meghalaya has reviewed and is prepared.
Ki start karep karyang agricultural scientist na ki shlem jing hikai ba na ki school ba. Kilas dang ban mi na ki laboratory ban let ya kendu ya ki nong rep haki penthor ke ba bat haki lengkha risai. Daga jing temu ban kentiu ya karep karyang ban pendap ba me ki pad ba jong kari India. Kani ka program ya kendu nong rep haki penthor ke ba bat haki lengkha risai. Kelas dang nadu ke arpu kendai tarik Jymmang bat kankut hadu ke khat ar tarik Jylla ar hajar arpusan. Hakani ka program ki start karep karyang ken lejengo ya ki nong rep haki sau teli ki CNR di blok Ribhoi district ki bakan thup ya ka Jirang, Umling, Umsning bat Bhoi Rembong. Kini ki start karep karyang ken pendan kam da ki kali ki bala penbiang lut ya ki tiar kitar ban hikai pat ba ya ki phang ba pon jat jong karep karyang. Ki start karep karyang na ICAR Krishi Vigyan Kendra. ICAR Research Complex, District Agriculture and Horticulture jang ka sarkar Meghalaya ki seng nong rep bat ki seng khai marep kin ya don ktilang ha kani ka program ya kendu nong rep ha ki penthor ka ba bat haleng khari sai lakmi lenti lengba kani ka program ki nong rep kinyo shibun ki jingtip ki ba khambha bat ki ba khambnya ban thung ban tep bat ban yo khe ki so ki ba bha ha ka jingtre jingta jang ki ha ka rep karyang man ka sngi kini ki kun hon start rep kin ya kendu amduna south pa san phongut ki nong rep ha ki shnong ba pher.
This Vikshit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan is the new flagship program launched by the Honorable Union Minister of Agriculture, Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Here the ethos or the spirit of the program is that what the ICAR and other allied agencies are doing the research, that has to be taken to the farmer's doorstep. That's why it is one of the tagline is that Anusandhan Krishak ke Dwar. Matlab, that if you translate it literally, it is that the research goes to the farmer's doorstep. In this program, it is state-wise program, region-wise program, ICR is involved in everything. In this district, Ribhoi specifically, we are going for approximately 99 villages we are covering over a period of 15 days. Close to 15,000 farmers, 15,000, we will be touching and will be directly interacting with them. Here we are focusing on four things. Number one is that we want to know what are the problems they are having. The farmers, the welfare of the farming community being the spirit, what is their problem? What are the issues on the field they are facing? Number two. Number three is that what are their suggestions that they want that the research should be on, or the ICR as a whole or the research community should take it up. And the fourth one is that we build a close rapport so that this network spreads. And of course that we want to document all these. This will help us keeping in touch with the farmers in the coming days. This is pre-Kharif part of the program. There will be a pre-Rabi also before the winter season when the
Samla sapisha tiuksiar nong klau khat pras nam karta kala klat no Shillong Civil Hospital tang hadin kendiat kenta bakala sha lembub bat sha selat hakawe ka altu 800 rong sao ya ka thuk bakashong kat badang nya ada usamla Alexter Khubor mulat arpos nam karta hasurok Shillong jowai hasorang kham Kani ka alto 800 kala hair bak, but yo iser new show Maria lembub ya ka tuk banya usamla Alexter. Kani ka jing sha lembub kala jah kapor nyo baje AA janmit hasnong seorang kang. Lakit mar-mar ya ka Samla sapisha da ka 108 sa Shillong Civil Hospital, henry tang hadin kendiat kenta kala klat no. Kani ka Samla kade ka kun jang ka kong ai dalin nong klau, bad uba wan kentiu majau bala klat no. Kaying ka sem jang kani ka Samla kade hajingking nong thamai Shillong. Usamla Alexter ubanya ya kani ka tuk ula batai haka video ya kani ka jingja bad ulaong bala pentip sa Khubor pulit.
Ini jadi nanti bagi apa nama kawan kekali pula ikan di lagi beri belai kan benas bagi atau jinja tiki amba jadi tiki beri dia tu kat mati kan yang bawa kawan kekali tempat ini kita kalak hadam jadi nanti kawan yang ambulans dalam pencarian ni apa di tiga kan di tiga itu jadi nanti ini tu isang tu dia kaki bayang dah, kaki bayang yang clear kaki dia kan dia ada nama. Jadi nanti latihan hasyarut ni, hasyarut itu sekarang hilang nak payah ni. Tapi apa bagi istana nama tu badan 16 sama kerjaan kita banjir. Dia tu baik ngai dan nak kerja. Jangan apa hilang abat plastik, kerjaan banyak ni doktor jadi kan. Dari di buat beri ni yang apa kan. Dia tu buat bilasan beli asal apa kan pasti jalan dengan Islam ni dia itu dia untuk sebuah hospital telah hospital kelara marum syara apa badan ambulans apa yang menjadi apa tentang accident yang bar di dalam Indonesia Civil Hospital dan abi itu mah dia menjadi lah kan pasti pesen payah tu dilarang lahirah bisa mereka masih menjadi tu lara ini dia dalam singkong orang tua Jymmang juga udah kan di nama lawan Jymmang juga dan makam lu semangat di Jymmang juga kan berkeran dan yang sempat lu buatik yang bagi habis CT scan nama lapor tak kembang raya yang menjadi kembang mahal kembang teh di yang ada CT scan yang bagi situ ke balai mengena misal apa bagi CT scan itu madang letra ini harus kan jadi nama kita kami rata dengan kita akan yang akan perbangara kejadian di data dia mahu yang menjadi merah di kejadian data memang ada yang buat keketiban kadang kan saat ini jadi yang semua dia betul dia tidak mau sebab apa dalam yang belum tahu yang emergency dia lu baik dari apa bila pendek sih yang tidak Indonesia dengan apa sebab itu medan dan sebab nanti ada yang sebab apa
UMP ke Shillong Dr. Ricky Andrew Jason kon ulaong kadron ka jingbom sngotu shai jang ki breu utau adhar kabala penlong ya ki ban pediang ya ka jing pentrekam ka sorkar ya une number habakran haka arpu pratarek Jymmang Dr. Ricky ulaong bakadon kam ban pen sngotu shai shaki pai ba knang ban khang ya ki breu ki bashim kabu ban pen sngotu bakla ya ka jingmut jing perkhat jang ki pai ba halor adhar Ulaong mensywaru ya ka MHIS ki persya henry hadin bala pensyai bat pensngau tu ka jing tre kala job bat ki pat ba kila pediang ya ka MHIS na ka benta ki jing mentoy ha ka por pang por shitong
kari ka bedi bak adhar dan shibon ke ke ba ya ban snau tu ban snau ke ba don kam kalom na do pas dan hi shwa bakin wan ra ini adhar so jadi bandon kecing pensyai pensot namar kat kecing pam yang jong kibriu kecing yasham jong apa kikat tu bandi jadi kadon kecing pam snot syai we tau adha jadi ngas snow ketika mat ka ba i kum kini ki bas thau ki an kon kam ban pensyai pensot na ba kadon don ki we pat ki ban yalam bakla ya ka cuma khat jong ki akibe de kino me dong adha an shwai ka MHIS u ka don ka jing persha nanta ki don skill pun ki we ki ba ki persha de ha ka jing bob so tu en re ha bala persha kan so tu anget kan penyerap pengin job ni ki jingele hakam tam ka jing khat ka jong namar bom sha UMP ka Lok Sabha na Shillong Dr. Ricky A.G. Sengkon ulaong
Kaseng Voice of the People Party kam ong ban weng lut ya baro ki kredop krong khajna. Henrei kala kren shai badai ban weng tang ya kitu ki babu bean. Habakran haka arpu praterik Jymmang Arhajar Arpusan u Dr. Ricky, General Secretary ka VPP ula ong, baka parti kala kentu ban weng ya kinu ki kredop ki bala penyeng bean bat ya kitu ki bayat kat kum kaan. Namar balabu kenang ban penmi khajna na gebenta ka jingdan kam ka council. Uloong kabas ngosi ka long ba ulayo jingtip badang bon ba ki balum khajna bean bad ulakam bakat kum ka jingtip jong u kidan ki kerdap sorkar Jylla shawar jantia ki krong hadu praspa tengka thakajaka arspa tengka bad kum kane ka jingle kade ka kam bean.
Ke parti kong aban weng ya ki kerdok kong khajana ki babean kata kadai ke bingap sutu nyam ong bam bengin ban weng lot baro rei ki badai kat kum ki jing ma om provision jongka oh ya kata you don't come ban raise ban generate revenue yang rei ka jing ong demi ki parti no bas lang kalong ya ki kerdok kong khajana bean terus susi kalong hagi ni ki ski ko kidang bon ba wat ki bala ki jongka sarkar Jylla support war jantia ke baca kim krong kat pum ke bala bu even krong arspa mai aso ki krong hadu plasma kum kitul kade kepada sarkar hin kan kum krong pada kalong ya kitu ki basuk mi shane shatai kum kitu kade ka ke baka parti ke kren ke manifesto dan rei ke ba nile ni hap amne kat kum ikendon bala bu baik ki da kritis secara ke India.
UMP ke Lok Sabha Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon ulaong kajing temu ke sarkar India ban ker sainar Shia hakijaka Khubor bat ka Bangladesh kade kamat bakongsan henrei emdei ban klad iki traishnong ki badon ya kijaka puta bat ki ba im kamai jakpo hakite kijaka u Dr. Ricky ulaong lada ke sarkar India ka don jing temu ban ker sainar Shia hakijaka Khubor kahap ban perkhat ya ka bha kamiat bat ka lawe jong ki breu basa haki Khubor da ka batau ya ki lad ki lenti ban ple lad ya ki kamai kaji jongki kajing thmu jong sarkar India ban ker sainar kalong ka babha henrei kam dei ban shule da ka bor henrei ka dei ban thau lad ya ki traishnong ki basakta na ka jingdu ki jaka ki puta ka sarkar ka dei ban le da ka jingkit kle na ka benta ka lawe ka bha kamiat jong ki breu ki basa ha Khubor laong u Dr. Ricky habakran shakilat pathai Khubor ulaong haswa ban le ka sarkar ka don kam ban mirjing mut bha bar ki trai jaka ula kli kla manu bam persha lada ka kta yala ki jong ki jaka ki puta la ban kedau dang don shibun ki jaka bam pat ker sainar Shia ha Khubor ka India Bangladesh ha Meghalaya kamtam ha ki benta ka Khasi Hills na ka jing persha ki trai shnong pat kum ju ki don ki shnong ki ba don ha senda u mauput ha po ka jingjingai ka ba Shispa san poyat na umau thum. Ladak ker sainar ki jaka kindu no ya ka jinglong try junam.
Patu ka jing ker sainar sha ya ka nika border reng kam India Bangladesh ketika mat ka ba ton kam ba kam ka ba kumpul isi tambah gaju ka por sha bakin rai kata nyemde ban klet baki don ki parang sem ki ba kodor ki ba don ki jaka puta jongki hantu ki ba longka kalat ban kamai jakpo jongki te kumta na kalyang ka jongka sarkar India la da don kanu kajing mo kajing temu jongka bakan le ya ka kam ban ker sainar sha ka hapru ban berkhatu ya ka bha kamiat ya kalawai jong kitu ki ba shong tu gamla ban shu rabi kuntu kapan thau kilat kan tiru iki namar manuban dapan biang iki jong kam ke jong kipan ti tai ba don kam e na kalian ke jonga na kumbang la grand hak bede ke border India Bangladesh India bat ka Jylla jongi bat kane ka Jylla Assam ngan yai kren bat ngan yai kren tambah ju Khubor na ban biang ikali ba kanu ko bagi le ngi di ban le daga jengket kle daga ban takalawai kum gitu ki basong basa popoda ngemla mansu ban shim kanu ka rai klam da perkhat pada ya kabha kamyat ya kala shag le shismi chongki
Badda kitu ki khubor ngla poi shaka bakut tarhadu bangin daya syambiang khublei shibun.